Hi, this is Dr. Lou, and this is the Musician Meat Tenderizer, designed by me for your arms on the road or at home from playing and creating problems for yourself. Okay, today I'm going to show you how to roll your wrists out with this little guy. It's super simple. You can either hold it and roll your wrists like this, or you can use it on the table like this. The idea here is not to hit the bone, and it really shouldn't hurt. You should go on the soft part of your hand and wrist. If you hit the bone, it's going to hurt a lot. If you rub over tendons like that without any meat over them, it's going to hurt a lot. But for things like carpal tunnel, for tension in the wrist from playing like this, from cropping your hand like this if you're playing bass, this is a really helpful way to increase blood flow, reduce inflammation, and loosen up the tension in the ligaments, tendons, and muscles in the wrist that got tight from playing. Just a reminder, increasing blood flow is critical for healing. Blood brings in chemicals that heal the tissue, acting almost like an ambulance. And then on the way out, the blood acts as a garbage truck, taking out inflammatory soup and redistributing it and getting rid of it throughout the body so that your wrist or other part of your body will heal faster. This thing is super lightweight. It's very easy to go like this. Could you use something else? Of course you could. You could use a bottle, you could use a can, you could use a rock, you could use a tennis ball, but you probably don't carry around rocks in your guitar bag, and this will fit right in the case, and it will not weigh more than an ounce or two. This is Dr. Lou Jacobs with the Musician Meat Tenderizer, showing you how to roll out your wrists. Be well.